That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS!
Santon Plus Gold.
Kung nga pala, may nabuhan ako ng bukol sa aking suso. Subukan ko ang Santon Plus Gold, 2 kapsula, 3 times a day sa loob ng 3 buwan. Lumiit ang bukol sa suso ko.
Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Santon Plus Gold.
Mahalagang paalala, ang Santon Plus Gold ay hindi gamot at hindi pwedeng gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo! Smart Dishwashing Paste ko! Pritong ulam na masebo, plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bacteria.
Bahid para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS! Pagbibili ng gamot, dapat subok, dapat trusted, dapat dekalidad. Alagang Unilab yan, alagang Unilab yan, alagang Unilab yan.
Kalidad na gamot, vitamins at pampaganda. Meron ng Unilab para sa'yo. Yan ang alagang Unilab.
Ang galing! Pangmatagalan!
Parang tayo lang, Han, no?
Everest Appliances.
Babe, ano ever best decision mo in life?
Siyempre, building a home with you.
Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest.
Hi, I'm Dulce, your Asia's power singing diva. From my Dulce Amor days to where I am now mentoring aspiring singers, I feel proud bringing honor to our country. At my age, I make sure I live fit and healthy with proper diet, exercise, and MX3 every day. MX3 is one of my instruments to complete the powerful rhythm and harmony of my musicality.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Dito ako, believe.
Nice shot, Dad! Thanks, Donnie. It's hard to be the fun dad kapag malabong mata. Kaya I visit EO Executive Optical for expert eye care and state-of-the-art facilities. Kasi pag mahal mo, aalagaan mo. So if you love your eyes, visit EO Executive Optical.
For expert eye care, come to EO Executive Optical. EO Executive Optical. Love your eyes.
Wag lang basta wheatgrass. Easy Famax Wheatgrass.
Hi, my name is Jennifer. I'm 26 years old. Salamat na lang at na-discover ko ang Easy Famax Wheatgrass. Nakatulong ito sa acid reflux ko, lalo na sa kalusugan ko with proper diet and exercise. At guminhawa na yung nararamdaman ng tiyan ko. Ako ay naging active sa mga araw-araw kong gawain at talagang nakatulong ito sa pagbaba ng acid reflux ko.
Mabibili sa Mercury Drugstore at leading supermarkets. Mahalagang paalala, ang Easy Famax Wheatgrass ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit. Opinion mo, opinion ko sa 774. Sa 774.